Hey guys, welcome back to another amazing video. In this tutorial, we'll learn how you can download Play Store on your PC. So without further ado, let's get started. First of all, head over to any of your browser. Now in the search bar, you have to search for bluestacks.com. Now this is the emulator for Android through which you can easily run any of the application of Android in your device. And you can also access the Play Store. Once you're over here, click on download BlueStacks. Now you just simply have to download the launcher. And now click on install now. Once it will get done, it will be opened. You can see we have BlueStacks app player, and in here we have a Play Store right here. You just need to open up the Play Store, sign in with your Google account, and boom, here you go. Now you can easily install any of the application in your Google Play Store. This is basically how you can get Google Play Store over on PC. If you found this video helpful, then make sure to give this a huge thumbs up, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.